At last, we have reached our 800 mark. We have reached our goal. So, konting-konti na lang, 900 na. And then before you know it, 1,000 subscribers na tayo. Yay! Thank you very much. Hello, Macari. Hello, world. This is the I am your CEO. Right now, we are in Barangay. We just had our lunch. Very rough. Hello, Macari. Hello, world. This is Attorney Angel, and I'm your legal angel. Hi, my fellow angels. As always, I hope that you're all staying healthy, staying safe, and staying well, and that you're not forgetting to pray. At maraming salamat po. We are here to celebrate simple joys and simple victories. We have reached our 800th mark. So, yay! Thanks to all of you. Tayo po ay naka-reach na ng 800, actually 801. So sabi ko nga, celebrating simple joys and simple victories. But hindi talaga lang simple eh. Kasi bawat victory, bawat kaligayahan, napakalaking pasasalamat sa Lord. So thank you very much, Lord, and thank you to all of you. Please continue sharing the word, spreading the word. And sana by December, maabot na rin natin yung 1,000 subscribers. So, konti na lang, watch hours na lang ang bubunuin natin. And in that way, we will be able to spread more love, spread more learning, and share positivity in living. And of course, spreading and educating the people, spreading the law, educating the people, making the people aware. Not just law students, not just aspiring lawyers, but to all kababayans all over the world. So please like, subscribe, share, and follow. And again, maraming salamat po. Yes. And for today, ay, nakikita nyo ba yung kumukutitap? May parol na kami. Kasi, diba, November na. Actually, November dapat, November, diba? Best bar ever, sabi ni Associate Justice Leone, na chairman ng bar ngayon. So yung i-share ko ngayon sa inyo are tips on the bar exam. So taking the bar exams, which was shared with me by one of my mentors and one of my bosses, Attorney Jonas Cabuchan. Thank you very much for these bar tips. At tama-tama naman, na-postpone lang naman, pero dapat diba November. Pero nung panahon ko, yun ang tanongin ko kailan yung panahon ko. Ayan, basta September pa kami noon. Ayan. Pero ngayon, because of the pandemic, because of the circumstances, it was moved again to January. So the bar will be this January 2022. Okay, and this bar tips naman, hindi lang makakatulong sa mga sa mga barristers or barristers sa tawag natin, or bar takers, bar examinees this coming 2022. Ang ingay sa JP Rizal, sorry po. Okay, but it will also help you law students and also aspiring lawyers and even normal regular students na hindi naglo-law or students taking up other courses, because this will also be applicable to you. Yung mga tips na share natin through the materials given to us by Attorney Jonas Cabuchan. So I will divide this into two parts kasi 4 parts yung bar tips. First on answering bar questions, second on online bar reviews, third, ano nga ba yung third? On reading materials, and finally, the last part, on your attitude. Ayan. Okay, so, let's start. This is the first part. Part 1 on answering bar exam questions. And before I give you the tips, let me start by quoting the Supreme Court Guide and Rules of Conduct to the 2014 bar examinations. Sabi ng Supreme Court, in many instances, incorrect English is a more serious problem than the lack of precise knowledge of law and has been the cause of high failure rates. Okay, so medyo alam nyo na yung patutunguhan ng major tip. Major, di ba? Parang sabi ni Venus Ra, di ba? Major. So, mind your English, mind your language. So, that is the first major tip on answering the bar exam questions. When you enter law school, it is presumed that you already have the proficiency in the English language or of the English language. So, kasama doon, reviewin nyo yung rules of grammar, syntax, the elements of style, strong and white, okay, yung composition, organization and coherence, sentence construction, prepositions, tenses, subject, verb, agreement, avoiding tautology, resorting to plain language or plain English. Okay, alam nyo na yan. So, mind your language, mind your English. Sabi nga, yan yung pinaka-important tool nyo in answering the bar exam questions. Yan yung titingnan talaga ng mga examiners, diba? Okay. And under the other tips, that major tip, there are 7 sub-tips. Sub-tips, diba? Okay, so, first sub-tip, your answer should be responsive to the question. Okay? Then, number 2, answer only what is being asked. Number 3, do not give long and circuitous answers. Yeah. Number 4, do not assume nor add to the facts given to accommodate your answer. 5, always cite the legal basis of your answer. 6, use common sense / logic. And number 7, manage your time. Okay. Give your answer with a yes or no, categorical answer. Kasi most of the time, if not all the time, yun yung unang tinatanong, di ba? Is it a yes or a no? Okay? So the first line or the first sentence of your answer should be a categorical answer that is responsive to the question. And of course, after that, you reason out, diba? In the succeeding lines. Okay? For your legal basis, observe the hierarchy of laws. Lagi nating tinatalaka yan sa klase, hierarchy of laws. Okay, of course, the highest of all is the Constitution. Okay? And then, if there is an applicable law or statute, that's the next. Then, rules and regulations. And then, of course, jurisprudence. Avoid citing or do not cite comments or commentaries given by authorities, so-called authorities. Okay? Kasi habol natin primary authorities. Those written commentaries or comments by authorities are secondary authority. Okay? Dun tayo sa primary authorities. Okay. And when citing provisions, make sure that you are citing the correct one. Parang sinasabi ko sa legal research na turo ko, dapat accurate, di ba? Kung hindi mo rin lang naman mabibigay yung eksaktong section article, wag mo nang sabihin, mas delikado pa. Di ba? In the same way, if you will cite jurisprudence or cases as legal basis, if you do not know the title, do not mention that. Okay? Pwede mo namang sabihin, in a decided case of the Supreme Court. Ganyan. Okay? Okay? So, avoid citing provisions or cases if you are not sure of the exact number, article, section, etc. and title of the case. Okay? Then, keep your answer short. Before, kasi written, sinasabi sa amin palagi, 1 page, 2 pages. Beyond that, that's already too long and that will be difficult for the examiner to check. Okay? And then, yung mga iba, they use the IRAC method, FIRAC method. Ako, I use the CLAC method. Sa iba, sa PUP, relax method. In Ateneo, the crack method. Okay? Depende. Okay? Depende sa style nyo. But sinabi ko nga earlier, and according to the bar tip, diba? Categorical answer, be responsive to the question, first line, first sentence. Reason out in the succeeding lines by using your legal basis. Taking into consideration or keeping in mind the hierarchy of the law. Hierarchy of laws. Constitution, case, laws, statutes, rules, regulations, jurisprudence. Okay, and then do not cite the title or the provision if you do not know the exact title or exact provision. Okay. Do not repeat the question. Answer directly. Huwag nyo nang uulitin. Time consuming yan. Di naman din kailangan i-repeat yung question. Okay? And do not give more than one answer. Or do not give alternative answers. Okay? If there is a general rule, then give the general rule. And then, the exceptions. Okay? If there are any, or if it is applicable to the question. Okay? Now, if there is more than one question asked in one number, meaning to say there are sub-questions, clearly refer to the question you're answering by giving the number or the letter corresponding to your answer. Okay? Kung merong number 2, A, B, C, D, 2A, 2B, 2C, para malinaw dun sa bar examiner na mag-check. Okay? Or if there is no such designation, state or describe the question, the question for your answer. Basta itugma mo para malinaw kung ano yung sinasagot mo dun sa tinatanong. Okay? Para hindi malilito at hindi mako-confuse yung examiner. Balik ka pala tayo sa general rule exception. So, kung applicable yon, cite the general rule, cite the exception, and then puntuhin mo kung saan nagpo-fall yung answer mo. Kung sa general rule ba or dun sa exception. Okay? Now, ito, isang napansin ko, maraming mga students, they leave the questions blank or they leave questions unanswered. Don't. Subukan yung sumagot kahit hindi nyo alam yung tamang sagot. Okay? Basta wag kayong mag-leave ng blank. I mean, baka sayang din, may isang puntos or 0.5, eh kung yun ang magsasagip sa inyo at magpapasa sa inyo, di ba? Sayang. Okay? Ito pa isa. yung iba, please refer to the back page or the last page for the answer number 3. Okay? My answer to number 1 is in the 4th page, ganyan. No, do not do that. Answer sequentially. Kung ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod, ganun din yung pagsasagot nyo. Walang mga direct na mga araw-araw o please see the last page for my answer. Ang ingay. Okay, so answer sequentially. Follow the given order of the questions. Do not make the examiner look for answers from one page to another to find your answer to the next question. Okay? And isa pa, avoid skipping questions. But, kung hindi nyo talaga maiiwasan to skip questions, mark the questions that you skip para hindi nyo makakalimutang balikan at sagutan. Okay? So, it will be easier for you to check later what problems or questions you left off or are still unanswered. Okay? Okay. So, if you skip questions, answer first the questions you are confident with. Means today, confident kayo dun sa mga sagot nyo, sigurado kayo dahil alam yung naaral nyo, di ba? Okay, prioritize the questions also with the bigger points. Isa pa yan. Napansin ko din na merong iba na worth 10 points yung question, like for example, or 5 points worth yung question, pero ang sagot nila parang worth 1 point or 2 points lang. So, make sure also that your answer would be worth the points allotted for that particular question. Okay? And sabi kanina, manage your time. Be aware, be mindful of the time. Kasi minsan, hindi kayo mindful of the time na uubusan na pala kayo ng oras, ang dami nyo pang hindi nasasagutan. So, manage your time wisely. Okay? Now, second part. Second part, bago natin balikan yung second part, again, to review, mind your language, mind your English. Your answer should be responsive to the question, answer only what is being asked, do not give long and circuitous answers, do not assume or add to the facts given to accommodate your answer. Always cite the legal basis of your answer, use common sense, logic, manage your time. Okay? Bago tayo pumunta sa number 2, okay, huwag nyo i-complicate yung mga questions and do not assume kapag hindi naman kasama sa facts. Don't overthink, okay? Basic lang yung tanong, pinalalim nyo pa, pinakomplicate nyo pa, di lalong na mali, okay? And meron din times na dapat yung kung may sub-questions, careful din kayo because kung may sub-questions sa konektado dun sa mga previous questions, yung sub-questions, pwedeng domino effect ka kung mali-mali na lahat yung isasagot nyo. So make sure that yung sagot nyo ay hindi magkakos ng domino effect na mali lahat. Okay? So, ibig ko sabihin, dapat tama yung sagot para yung mga sagot nyo sa sub-questions, tama din. Okay? Anyway, sige. Doon na tayo sa second part on online bar review session. Siyempre nga dahil sa pandemya, hindi na katulad doon na in-person yung mga bar reviews. Ngayon, virtual na rin. Iba syempre, diba? Iba yung feeling lang nandun ka mismo sa review center. Kasama mo yung mga kaklase mo and other bar examinees from other schools. The major tip here on online bar review sessions. Know yourself. Okay? Choice nyo pa rin yun. It's your choice what bar review sessions you want to attend. Kung gusto nyo mag-attend ng lahat ng bar review sessions, go ahead. But kung katulad nyo, kami, or iba, pipiliin nyo, lalo na yung hindi kayo confident or hindi nyo forte sa tingin nyo that you need more supplemental lectures para magets nyo pa, parang mas tumibay sa inyo, attend kayo, piliin nyo. Or yung iba, lahat ina-attendan. But it's your choice, it's your decision. What works for you? Yan. Iba-iba naman kasi, di ba, ang tao. So, what may work for you may not work for me. What works for me may not work for you. Okay? If you are confident with your grasp of the subject matter, there's no need to attend the review session of the subject you are confident with. Just attend that subject to update yourself of jurisprudence, but attend the pre-week lectures. Yan yung dito sinishare sa bar tips. Ipiliin nyo daw kung yung mga subject matter na sa tingin nyo kailangan nyo pang pagtibayin para sa inyo at para ma-update kayo sa jurisprudence. Otherwise, kung confident na kayo sa iba, wag na. Do it on your own. Okay? Sayang din kasi yung oras. Okay? But, sabi dito, attend the pre-week lectures kasi baka may mga updates and baka may alam nyo na, may mga updates, may pagkamarites din tayo. Gusto natin malaman kung ano yung latest, di ba? Okay. Sometimes, reading your books and personal reviewers is more efficient and effective than attending a lecture or reading a new review material. Yun yung sabi ko, di ba? Baka mas effective na dun sa mga subjects na confident ka na, you can save your time, reviewin mo yung mga notes na nagawa mo na, tsaka yung libro na naaral mo na, komportable ka at gamay na gamay mo na. Di mo naman kailangan magbasa at mag-aral ng lahat ng authors ng isang subject eh. Okay? Mas mahirap pa nga i-master yun. But again, kung dun kayo komportable, then go ahead. Kung 5 authors basahin nyo, why not? Diba? Kung kayang-kaya nyo. Kung dun kayo masaya and dun kayo magiging mas confident at mas magiging empowered at magiging tawag dito, ma-absorb nyo lahat, magagamit nyo, ma-apply nyo sa bar exams. Why not? Diba? Kanya-kanya. Okay? Ito, isang maganda na tip, do not be overconfident. Kahit sino ka pa, kahit ang galing-galing mo, kahit na naaral mo na, huwag namang maging overconfident, diba? Confident lang. Tamang lang. Yung tamang tansya lang, diba? Okay? Mahirap din maging overconfident. Minsan, parang sa sobrang overconfident mo, lumalagapak ka, diba? Just be humble, stay grateful, okay? Just do your thing, review, pray, be thankful na nakakayanan mo mag-review araw-araw. At natatapos mo yung mga sineset out mong goal para sa sarili. Okay? So, dun muna tayo. Sa next vlog na lang, yung third and last part on reading materials and on your attitude. Okay? So, again, thank you very much. We're 801 subscribers. Please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you very much. Okay? So, laging isipin, kaya nyo, pwede, at posible. Mangyayari yung gusto nyong mangyari, you will achieve your goals. Okay? And be kind, be a blessing to others, and always remember to glorify God with a grateful heart. This is Attorney Angel, and I'm your legal angel. What hey?